Yeah.
Morning everyone, we're here sa group 1 to dramatize the legend of Sampagita. But before that, allow us to introduce ourselves. I'm Chantal Bislao as Princess Liwayway.
Look.
I'm Marjorie Bislao as
Kadaw. Ay, balo?
I'm Dennis Nabulong. I'm a student who invited ang Sampagita and I'm also the director. I'm one of the
Pakapin.
The legend of Sampagita. It has been said long time ago that the Philippines are divided into many kingdoms, and each kingdom are called barangay. And one of the barangay are ruled by a beautiful princess named Princess Liwayway.
Hey, come on.
Sampagita, my favorite flower. Can I buy 5 pieces of it? Here, take 100 pesos. You know what? My mother always told me about legends. One of it is the legend of Sampagita. Yes. Oh, really? The legend of Sampagita. Long time ago, yes, you're right. No doubt, but she has to be focused. Good morning. Oh, nice. Bye. I'm excited to wear this. One time, the dato of the other barangay announced I will held a party and all the princesses are invited to come, and one of which is Princess Liwayway.
Liwayway.
What would I wear this coming 40 times? Oh, nice. So lovely. Point. So the party night came and Princess Liwayway was so beautiful wearing the dress that she chose, and then that night also she will need lakan-gali.
No, lakan-gali. Lakan-gali. Lakan-gali.
But before that, nagiging sa mga t-shirt ay Chantal is wearing his dress. Let me tell you little knowledge first. As we all know that Sampagita is our national flower. It has been said that the Sampagita is chosen because of it. But it smells good and it represents cleanliness and purity because of its color and it also represents harmony and peaceful paradise.